you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are back again with yet another book haul. I have a serious book buying issue, and I know that Ryan is like this close to just like burning them all, I swear, because he knows what? English? Hello. He knows that I have a serious book buying problem because I have 43, I think, ish books. No, is it more than that? I have a lot of books which I haven't read yet. So let me know if you want to see my current book physical TBR, because there is a lot of books on my physical TBR, so let me know if you want to see that. But anyway, I'm going to be sharing with you all the books I've bought. I'm very thoroughly excited about it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 books. I swear a month ago my TBR was actually 16 books. I don't know what's happened. I go to the Works quite regularly, and the Works is so good for books that when I see a really popular book, for example, sneak peek like this, and it's £5, I can't not get it. So I bought a lot of books. So yeah, anyway, without further ado, I'm going to share with you what I've bought. This was not all in one go, by the way. It's probably over the course of like 2 weeks, so it's not any better, but I am thoroughly excited about it. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. Grab yourselves a coffee or a snack, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's dive in. Don't judge me, by the way, I have a problem, I know. So the first book I'm going to share with you is by Ella Mays. Is that how you pronounce her name? I'm not too sure, but this is To Love Jason Thorne. I have had this on my Amazon wishlist for quite a few months now. I do watch a lot of booktubers, and I kind of go off their recommendations, and as soon as somebody describes a book I think I'll love, I just put it on my Amazon wishlist, which is always linked down below, by the way. If you ever want to see what books I want to read, want to buy, anything like that, it is all down below. But yeah, I've had this on my list for a very long time, and as soon as I saw it in, I think it was WH Smith's, because it was 2 for £12 on paperbacks, bargain, I had to pick it up. So I got this one, and I also got To Hate Adam Connor by the same author, not only because they look absolutely stunning like next to each other, do you know what I mean, like on your bookshelf, can you just, oh, satisfying, but I just thought, you know what, they're 2 for £12, I may as well grab them both, because if not they were £9 each, so I thought I may as well get them both, so I did. And in my head I worked out, oh, they're only £6 each, honestly. But I have no idea what these are about. I imagine they're romances. I imagine this one's like an enemies to lovers vibe, possibly this one, also maybe, I'm not too sure, but yeah, very excited about these. So if you've read them, let me know your thoughts on them. I do also have a Goodreads, by the way. If you guys didn't know, I have a Goodreads. It's just Melody Collis, same as on here. If you can't find me, let me know and I will add you guys instead. But I basically, with my Goodreads, I don't know how you guys do it, but I put all of my want to read books are physical books I have, and then all the rest are on my Amazon wishlist I haven't bought yet. So that's kind of how I do it in my brain. But anyway, bought these, love these, cannot wait to read those. The next book I got from the Works, and it was £5, and again, I cannot believe that the Works get all these brand new releases and can instantly sell them for £5. I think it's absolutely insane. I don't know whether it's because they're maybe not, I don't know, do they have issues? Like, is there a spelling mistake? I don't even know. But anyway, this is The American Roommate Experiment by ELENA ARMAS. She also wrote The Spanish Love Deception, so I'm really excited to give this one a go. This one is relatively, probably 2/3 of the size of that book, so I'm a little bit more inclined to read this one, because big books just scare me. I don't know how I'm going to get through A Court of Silver Flames, because honestly that book is huge. Anyway, I'm really excited about this. I've heard really good things about it, but again, I just don't get it. Like, it's just come out, so I don't know how it's so cheap, but I'm really excited about it. I haven't really read the back. I'm trying to not do that because I just like to go blind, you know. So yeah, I have no idea what it's about, but I'm really excited about it, so love that. Moving on. Next up we have a series, and my mum actually picked all these up for me, so thanks mum if you're watching. Very excited to read these, and this is the series by Alice Osman. Is that how you pronounce it? Is it a series? Do you know what, I don't even know if it's a series, but this is the selection of books. Firstly, look how beautiful they are. Love that. I have honestly no real idea what these books are about. I have had a little look on Google, and I know that I've kind of worked out the reading order. I'll do it in publishing order, but I'm really excited to read these. They just look like really easygoing reads, and I like that there's 2 like little novellas in there, so it makes it a lot easier, and I'll be able to get through those a lot quicker. But yeah, I'm really excited about those. So we have Loveless which again, no idea what it's about. I Was Born for This, which is this one. I love the covers of these, by the way. I had a little look on Amazon and they used to have old covers, and I'm so glad that they don't have those anymore because these are so much more nicer. Anyway, we also have Radio Silence. Again, love the colour of that. This Winter, which is this one, again, a really small book. We have Nick and Charlie, and then we have Solitaire, which is this one. I'm just really excited about these. I cannot wait to dive into this world. I hope it is a series, but if you've read them, let me know. Is it a series? Is it just loads of standalones? Either way, I'm thoroughly excited. So yeah, that's all those, and they were all £7 each from The Works. The next book I picked up was only £2.50 from The Works. I really recommend going into The Works and really looking through the 3 for £6 section, because there are some really good hidden gems in there. You just have to search through them, which is the only annoying thing. They're kind of like odd ones, you know, so you have to sort of have a look. But this is The Girl Upstairs, and I did read the back of this because I had never heard of it before, and it says, I know what happened to her. I heard Emily before I saw her, the harsh smack of heels against the cheap wooden floorboards, the loud phone calls, the incessant music. I knew Emily before I met her, discarding receipts in our communal hallway, sticky leftovers in the shared food waste bin, wine shop vouchers in the letterbox. Now she's gone missing and I'm the only one who can find her, the only one who can save her, because I heard everything. I am very excited about this, and this is by Georgina Lees. So yeah, have you read this? Let me know. I've not heard much about it, but I am really excited to give that a go, and I really want to, yeah, it's quite a nice size font too. I know it sounds really silly, but when the font's too small, it just annoys me. Can't concentrate, you know what I mean? The next book I picked up was from W.H. Smith's, and I believe I got this when it was like buy one get one half price or something, so it's about £2 for £12ish again, and this is Rock Paper Killers by Alexa Mason. I think I'm going through my thriller mystery not mad about. I think it's probably the time of year as well. It doesn't help. I feel like it's cozy, it's spooky, it's that kind of vibe. I'm really excited to give this one a go, and it's got really nice paper. I don't know, it just feels really like library-ish. Does that make sense? I hope so. But yeah, I'm really excited to give this a go. I really don't know what it's about. Again, I picked it up, the cover drew me in. You guys know me, I don't tend to read the backs, and I also just love a good cover, so I'm really excited to give this one a go, and I cannot remember which book I picked up with this one. Yes, I do. I'll show you it in a second, but yeah, I love this one. I'm really excited to give it a go, and it just looks really good. I don't know. Love it. Excited to read that. The next book I got was from Amazon, and I believe it was around £5 to £7, and this is A Court of Frost and Starlight by Sarah J Maas. If you guys watched my previous book haul, which I have a playlist, check it out. I buy a lot of books, so there is a lot in there. You will know that I bought the entire A Court of Thorns and Roses series. However, they didn't have this one in the Works in my town, so I had to order it on Amazon. And then I went to the Works like the day after and I found one in there. It was so annoying. But anyway, I got it from Amazon, and I am really excited to have this one. This is the smallest one in the series, so I'm looking forward to reading this because it just looks very easy to read, so I am looking forward to it. I haven't read A Court of Thorns and Roses yet. It is on my TBR for October, so I am hoping to dive into that very soon, because I will be really annoyed with myself if I don't get to it this month. But anyway, very excited about this. Can't wait to read it. The book series is quite overwhelming though. There's a lot of big books in that series, so we'll get there eventually. The next book I picked up from The Works, again, it was £5, and as soon as I saw it I knew I had to pick it up because it would be out of stock within probably about 5 minutes, and that is Love on the Brain by Ali Hazelwood. The only thing about this book that I really don't like, and you're gonna know, this isn't a sticker. Like, why print that on there? I don't really have any clue as to what this is about. I think I need to read The Love Hypothesis first. However, that is part of a series which I'm doing next year, which you guys will find out in December. I'll tell you more about that, but I can't tell you right now. But this I'm gonna have to read after that book, I think. You guys are gonna have to let me know. Do I need to read this one after? Can I read it now? Let me know down below. But yeah, so excited to read this. And it just looks really cool and really pretty, apart from that ugly thing. And yeah, this was £5. I can't remember if I mentioned, but I just think The Works is so good. Like, £5, absolute bargain. The next book is something which came out recently as well, and I think I got this one from W.H. Smith's. I'm pretty sure. I don't think it was from The Works. And this is Nothing More to Tell by Karen M. McManus. I finally have the whole collection of these books, all in white, all with the painted edges, and I'm so satisfied with that because there is nothing more annoying. Like, I have a series of books which is the House of Night series, which I bought probably about 10 years ago, maybe more, must have been more, maybe like 15 years ago, which is like a vampire-y sort of series, and I've got 5 of them in paperbacks and I've got 3 in hardbacks which are taller. Like, why did past me do that? I don't even know. And also there's 4 more in that series I need to buy, which they don't even do that cover anymore, so it's just going to be a mismatch. But anyway, so this is the 6th book that she's released in that kind of range. The other 5 are on the back if you guys want to have a little look. You've got One of Us Lying, One of Us Is Next, which I've read both of those. We've got Two Can Keep a Secret, The Cousins, and You'll Be the Death of Me. So I really love Karen's kind of style of writing. I've mentioned it before. I really enjoy it. I find them really easy to read. They don't take me very long, and yeah, so I'm really excited to finally have this one in my collection. And I do just love the kind of print of this. It's just so satisfying. So very excited about that. We are now on to the last 2 books of this haul, so I feel like if you've made it to this far, thank you so much. Let me know down below if you have. But this is This Lie Will Kill You by Chelsea Pitcher. This was the other one I bought alongside Rock Paper Killers from W.H. Smith's, 2 for £12, and, or was it buy one get one half price? I can't remember. It was around £12 for both of them anyway. The reason I picked this one up was because on the front it says for fans of One of Us Is Lying, which you guys know I loved, so I had to pick this up. That's kind of all I did. I didn't even read the back. I don't even have a clue as to what this is about, but I love the size of writing. I love the size of the book. It looks like a very easy read. There is just over 300 pages in this book, and I can't wait. If you guys watched my October TBR video, you will know that this is in that, so I will let you guys know what I think of it at the end of the month. But yes, very excited about this book. I am just, yeah, I just love it, and I love W.H. Smith's when they do buy one get one free, buy one get one half price, whatever. Bargain. Love it. And last but definitely not least is a book which I bought from Waterstones. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I rarely shop in Waterstones for books. I love a good browse. I bought Win, Lose, Kill, Die from Waterstones, which was an absolute 1,000,000 out of 10 for me. However, I find that Waterstones is the most expensive out of the 3 bookstores in my town, so I don't really go there as much. However, I did pop in there the other day, and my friend Lucy was in there working, and she recommended this book. She said she read it recently. She kind of described it to me, and it's basically about a girl who has an arranged marriage with a vampire, tries to kill him, it all goes wrong, and I thought, you know what? Yes, like I need a vampire book in my TBR, because I started off reading maybe 20, no, not 20 years ago, I'm not that old, no offense. How old was I when Twilight came out? Like 13? 14? I'm 28 now, you do the maths, 14 years ago, something like that. I started off reading by reading vampire books, Twilight, New Moon, all that kind of stuff. Like I mentioned, the House of Night series. I've also got some of the Vampire Diaries books, like 2 of them. I'm looking at my shelf now, and half of my books are black because they are all vampire related books. It was just my vibe back then, and I loved it, and I thought, you know what, I need to get back into that hype because I did really enjoy it. And this is The King of Battle and Blood by Scarlett St. Clair, and I'm really excited about this one. Again, this is in my October TBR, so I'm really looking forward to it. I just, yeah, firstly, the matte page, like the matteness of the book is just so luxurious, and I absolutely love it. It's also not that long, which I really like. It's nearly 400 pages, which I think is quite alright. Oh, it's quite like, it's got a good floppiness to it too, you know. I watched this girl on YouTube and she was saying how like a floppy book is a good book. I can appreciate it because the pages just bend all nice. And I think I'm losing the plot. I think I've had too much coffee this morning. Anyway, really excited about this. I'm so sorry I'm rambling on, but yeah. This is my last one. This is what I bought. This was £9 and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think at the end of the month, but that is also in my TBR. So that is everything for this book haul video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. As I've said before, let me know down below in the comments what you're reading at the moment, what books you want to read. I've also, again, left my Amazon wishlist down below. If you guys want to check out what books are on my kind of like to be bought list, they're all in there. It is absolutely massive. I think there's over 200 to 300 books in that list, which is insane. I don't even know where I would put them all. So yeah, I'm definitely not going to be buying them all very soon, but they're all in there if you want to have a look. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching as always. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.